Hi everyone! In this video, I will mention 10 common problems that 2017 to 2021 Tesla Model 3 vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. The coolant pumps in some 2017 models are prone to become noisy at low mileage. Replacing the defective pumps with new updated replacements solves the problem. Number 2. The charge port and charge port actuator in some 2017 to 2019 models is prone to suffer from ice buildup in extreme cold climates. This ice buildup can prevent the insertion or removal of the charge handle from the charge port. Tesla has available an updated charge port carrier and latch actuator that prevents ice buildup. Also, aftermarket companies make waterproof covers like the ones shown on the screen that prevent ice buildup when the vehicle is not connected to a charger. Number 3. The rear drive unit oil pump in some 2017 models is prone to develop internal leaks that can cause oil to make contact with the oil pump circuit board, creating a short circuit that causes the vehicle to go into limp mode. Replacing the defective oil pump with a new updated replacement solves the problem. Number 4. The B-pillar cameras in some 2017 to 2019 models are prone to become obstructed by condensation buildup inside the pillar. This can cause some of the autopilot features to be temporarily unavailable until the condensation goes away. Removing the plastic plug from the pillar cover shown on the screen allows airflow inside the pillar, reducing condensation buildup. Number 5. The front window lift motors in some 2017 and 2018 models are prone to experience premature failure, causing the affected window not to roll up or down. Replacing the damaged window motor or the complete window regulator assembly solves the problem. Number 6. The refrigerant pressure sensors in some 2020 and 2021 models are prone to malfunction and to experience premature failure, causing the heater and air conditioning system not to work properly. Replacing the defective sensors solves the problem. Number 7. The wiring on the electrical connections X950 and X952 located on the rear of the vehicle behind the rear plastic fender wells are prone to get damaged over time in some of these vehicles. This issue can cause a restart alert on the touchscreen or a no-start condition. Repairing the damaged wires solves the problem. Number 8. Some 2017 and 2018 models are prone to suffer from intermittent communication errors from a CAN transceiver located inside the rear drive unit, and this can cause the vehicle to go into limp mode or to develop a no-start condition. The vehicle manufacturer recommends replacing the complete rear drive unit with a new one to solve the problem. Number 9. The wiring harness for the occupant classification system located under the passenger front seat in some 2017 to 2020 models is prone to be affected by electrical interference from the other electrical plugs in the seat harness, causing the airbag indicator to display on the touch screen. This problem can be solved by installing a new occupant classification system filter module and attaching it to the location shown on the screen. Installing a noise filter ferrite over the seat heater electrical harness as shown on the screen and covering it with electrical tape helps to eliminate any remaining electrical interference. Number 10. The plastic housing of the rear brake calipers, also known as parking brake calipers, in some 2017 to 2019 models was damaged during vehicle assembly. To prevent the affected brake caliper from malfunctioning due to water entering through the broken section, it's best to replace the damaged brake caliper with a new one. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that 2017 to 2021 Tesla Model 3 vehicles are prone to experience. Take care.